Welcome to my kitchen, where every ingredient has a purpose and every recipe is made with love. Today, I'm sharing one of my absolute favorite natural juice blends: pineapple, carrot, and ginger. It's vibrant, it's refreshing, and it's packed with nutrients your body will thank you for. Let's start with the ingredients. First up, pineapple. Sweet, juicy, and tropical. Pineapple is more than just delicious. It's rich in vitamin C, great for your immune system, and contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and reduces inflammation. Next, we have carrots. These bright orange beauties are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Carrots support healthy vision, glowing skin, and they add a natural sweetness that balances the sharpness of the ginger. Speaking of ginger, this little root is a powerhouse. A small piece goes a long way. Ginger helps with digestion, fights nausea, and gives this juice a warm, zesty kick. It's also anti-inflammatory, which is amazing for your gut and your overall health. I like to prep everything fresh. I peel and chop the pineapple, wash and trim the carrots, and slice a small knob of ginger about a thumb's length. You don't need much for that beautiful, warming spice. Once everything's prepped, it's time to juice. You can use a juicer or a blender, whatever you have. If you're blending, just add a little water and strain it after. The color is stunning bright orange with a golden glow. And the aroma? Fresh, fruity, and just a little spicy from the ginger. Now pour it over some ice, and you've got the perfect drink for any time of day. Morning boost, midday refresh, or even a light, healthy treat after dinner. What I love about this juice is that it's not just good for your body, it feels like self-care. Every sip is nourishing, natural, energizing. It's a reminder that feeding yourself well doesn't have to be complicated. Try it for yourself and let me know how you like it. And if you're looking for more simple, healthy recipes made with real ingredients, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here at Nature's Fork, we're all about wholesome, easy goodness the whole family can enjoy. Until next time, stay nourished, stay vibrant, and drink your colors.